Today we're going to show you how to build a solar bug. Inside the kit you will find a quick start guide and your components including solar cells, googly eyes, self-sticking motors, foam tape pieces, double-sided bug cards, and a roll of 1/4-inch maker tape. You'll provide your own scissors, and crayons, markers, or colored pencils. Choose your favorite bug body. Color it in with your favorite colors. And cut it out. Now we'll assemble the solar circuit. You will need to connect the motor wires to the solder points on the solar cell. Peel the backing from the self-stick motor and stick it to the underside of the solar cell. Cut 2 small pieces of maker tape and use them to tape down the motor wires onto the silver-colored solder points. Take a piece of double-sided foam tape and peel the backing off one side. Stick it down to the underside of the solar cell. To test, go outside and face the solar cell towards direct sunlight. You will feel the motor start vibrating. Now that we know the circuit works, we'll assemble it onto the bug body. Peel the remaining backing off the foam tape and press the entire solar circuit in place on top of the bug body so that it sits over the green rectangle. Pick 3 or 4 rattle feet. You might know these as googly eyes. Peel off the backing and stick 3 or 4 on the underside of the bug. Place on a smooth surface in direct sunlight and watch it go. Congratulations! You just built your own solar bug. The Solar Bug Kit by Brown Dog Gadgets. Like and subscribe to this channel for more great projects, and come visit us at browndoggadgets.com.